Greetings Boffins, welcome to the Boffin Lab. I'm Mardor Tarrant and this is a Nano-Guide for EVE Online. EVE Online has one of the most complex market and manufacturing systems you'll ever see in an MMO. 90% of what's on the markets has been made or sourced by players and are being sold by players. They've been moved to their destination station by players and you can get yourself into this very easily. Or has asked you to buy a blueprint from the market. The first thing you need to do is find the market tab either on the station services panel or on the Neo-Com. You need to realize that the market is a place where a mistake can cost you a lot of money, so be careful and watch. First of all, opening the market tab will bring up your regional market. This is only for the area that you're in, encompassing about 30 star systems. You've been asked to find a civilian data analyzer blueprint. You can select the search field and type in civilian data analyzer and hit search, and you should come up with only one entry, a blueprint that you need to make. There's a lot of flexibility in the search function. You'll get used to it. The first item on the list, the only item on the list, is the blueprint we're after. Click on the item and you see a list of all the orders selling that blueprint in the region. The one you're after will have the place station next to it. If you buy any of the other options on the list, you'll have to go to the station where you bought it. Otherwise, you don't have it where you need it. Make sure you select the entry that has station, find the cheapest of the options on the station, right click and select buy. This little panel tells you where you can choose how many you want to buy, but you're only going to need one. When you place the buy order, the money is deducted from your account and the item appears in the hangar of the station where you bought the item. In this case, the station you're on. Up until now, all of your material has been kept in the cargo hold of your ship. So the first thing you need to do is move it out of the cargo hold and into your hangar. Open the inventory screen. Use a select all window or right click in the cargo bay and choose select all and then drag the items to the item hangar. This will put everything in the right place for you to do the manufacturing job. If the material is not in the right hangar, you won't be able to access it. Your next step is to move your window to one side so that you can see everything. Right click on the blueprint and choose Use Blueprint. This will open the industry panel, but it's going to take a little time for the blueprint to load in. Be patient.
And on the right, you can see the output, which will be your brand new civilian data analyzer module.
If you have all the material you're supposed to have, the items on the left side of this screen will show as blue. Otherwise, they'll have a red cross out through them. You may now produce a single item. I wouldn't bother building two unless you need to. Hit the start button and the job starts building. You'll notice down the bottom that it says it has roughly 2 minutes to finish the job. Fortunately, the commander and Aura and the doctor all want to have a chat with you, and it should take basically 2 minutes. Now that the job is finished, you have two important things to see. There are two ways of delivering the job. The button on the right will deliver already jobs. The button on the left next to individual projects will deliver that project alone. Clicking on it will deliver the item into your hangar along with the blueprint you used to build it. Now you should be fine to close the industry window. Aura is asking you to open the inventory window. If you've already got it open, you'll have to close the inventory window and open it a second time to progress.
Time to get that module fitted to your ship. Right click.
The next step is to go out and look at the research outpost, but that is the next tutorial. In the meantime, have fun, good hunting.